Today I'm going to bake some cookies in the Deluxe air fryer and oven. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my stone into the top, which is the oven compartment. This is the new stone that's designed specifically for our Deluxe air fryer and oven. And now I'm going to get it started. It needs to preheat. And one of the features that's unique with this one is the stoneware bake feature. So I'm going to push the top button, turn the dial until stone bake is highlighted right here. Push the button in to choose it, and I'm going to reduce the temperature. So this is your temperature button. So any of the settings, you can adjust the temperature just by pressing that. I'm going to reduce to 360 degrees based on the recipe I'm making. Push the button in, and I want to bake my cookies for just 10 minutes. So I'm going to push the button in again, and now it's preheating. My stone is all preheated, and I have to tell you, these oven gloves are so essential when using the air fryer. They are really big, but just pull them nice and tight on your hands, and all of the little grippies make it really easy to get things in and out. So on the hot stone, I have some chocolate chip cookie dough I'm gonna drop. I freeze cookie balls just like this. I just pulled them out and let them thaw, and now we're just going to bake them. So if you love being able to have cookies at a moment's notice, this is one of the best tricks that I have in my kitchen. I love fresh cookies, and I love that I can just make a few at a time. Let's go ahead and pop these into the toaster oven for about 10 minutes. When it's preheated, it will say add food right there. And I'm just gonna slide this in. Do you see the lip on the edge of my stone? That one goes into the back. So just slip it in there, and we push the button to start. Let's take a look. They're baking, they're looking beautiful. Got about 3 minutes to go. Here we go. They are done. Take a look at these. Perfect. So these cookies are brown butter, sourdough, chocolate chip with flaky sea salt on top. They are so delicious. So when you pull these out, you're gonna and this is true for any time you bake on your stones with cookies, let them stay on the stone for 2 minutes before you take them off. That way the sugar can solidify and you won't smash your cookies. There's your cookie tip for today. Okay, they're ready to come off. Who's got one of these? The little mini serving spatula. It is amazing for taking your cookies and brownies out of the pan. So if you're looking at this little smear here, when I put my stone in, I had it tipped a little bit and the dough kind of rolled forward. So that's why it has that spot. But otherwise, it's perfectly good. As you use your stone more and more, they're gonna turn dark and become well seasoned. The worse it looks, the better it cooks. Give your stoneware a try. One more thing, if you're new to stoneware, I want you to notice how perfect the color is, top and bottom. Stones bake like a brick-lined oven, so you get bakery results at home. Would you eat this?